How to unlock Facebook account without identity. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if your account has been locked, your home page will look like this. Now to fix this, simply go back to the home screen, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar. Now type issue with the Facebook homepage. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now open up the first website. Now wait for the screen to load. Now tap on subject and type locked Facebook account. Now tap on contact email address. Now enter your email address. Now tap on description of the issue. Now on the description box, write this message saying, "Hello team, my account has been locked for over a period and I do not have the learn more to get started option to help me proceed to the next steps of unlocking it. Kindly help me review this and grant me access back to my account." Now once you're done, go back to the locked page. Now take a screenshot of this page. Go back to the web browser. Now tap on choose files under screenshot. Now select your screenshot. Now click on add. Now once you're done, simply tap on send. Now wait for Facebook to process this issue. It will take usually about 24 to 48 hours. If this method doesn't work, tap on the search bar and type Facebook feedback. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now open up the first website. Now enter your email address. Now scroll down. Now select product or feature. Now scroll down. Now select other. Again paste the same text. Now once you're done, simply tap on send. It will also take usually between 24 to 48 hours to proceed your issue. After processing the request, Facebook might unlock your account. If nothing is solving your issue, simply tap on help at the top right corner. Now tap on source help articles. Now type locked account. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on my Facebook account is locked and I'm not getting phone or email codes when trying to confirm my account. Now scroll down. Now read all the steps. Again scroll down. Now select no under was this helpful. Now select other. Now describe your issue here. Now simply tap on submit. Now wait for some time until Facebook solves your issue. Usually it takes 24 to 48 hours until Facebook solves your issue. I hope this will fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.